Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Section 6, Dates and Times. Lesson 6.1, JavaScript Dates and Times. The first thing you need to do to create a new date object is write var the date equals new date. Note the use of the keyword new. After a space, you type the word date, capital D, and this is followed by a pair of round brackets. This is enough to create a new date object, which we've assigned to a variable called the date. To see what this prints out, add the following line. You should find that it prints out quite a lot of information: the day of the week, the month, the day of the month, and then the time. You'll also find that the date object prints out information to do with GMT, or UTC as it's now known. It will tell how far ahead or behind the Greenwich meridian you are. You can, however, add arguments between the round brackets of date. The full list of arguments are date, year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and millisecond. Only the first three arguments are required. Try your birthday between the round brackets of date. For the month value, January is 0 and December is 11. Our values are from 0 to 23. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.